Fennel seeds offer a range of health benefits, attributed to their rich nutritional profile and bioactive compounds. Here are some notable benefits: digestive health, relieves bloating and gas. Fennel seeds are known for their carminative properties, which help reduce bloating and gas. Aids digestion. Chewing fennel seeds after meals can stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion. Anti-inflammatory effects. Fennel seeds contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamins, fennel seeds help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Respiratory health. The seeds have expectorant properties that can help clear mucus from the airways, making them beneficial for respiratory issues like coughs and bronchitis. Hormonal balance. Fennel seeds contain phytoestrogens, which may help balance hormones and alleviate symptoms of menopause and menstrual disorders. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in fennel seeds contribute to cardiovascular health by helping to reduce cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. Antimicrobial properties. Fennel seeds have antimicrobial effects that can help fight off harmful bacteria and fungi. Weight management. The fiber content in fennel seeds can promote satiety, helping to control appetite and manage weight. Improved eye health. Rich in vitamin A, fennel seeds contribute to better eye health and can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Skin health. The antioxidants and essential oils in fennel seeds can help improve skin texture and appearance, and may also aid in reducing the signs of aging. Bone health. Fennel seeds are a good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones.